In the next update, the Supreme Court has reiterated that there can be no compensation to the legal heirs of a driver who dies due to his own negligence. In this case, a man named N.S. Ravisha died in a car accident while driving at high speed in a rash and negligent manner. After his death, his wife, son, and parents filed a compensation claim of 80 lakhs under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act, saying that they should be compensated for his death. But there was a key legal issue here. Since Ravisha was the one driving negligently, can his own family claim compensation under the law? Well, the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal rejected their claim, saying that Ravisha himself was the tortfeasor or the one at fault, and legally a person or their family cannot benefit from their own wrongful act. The family then approached the Karnataka High Court, which also dismissed their case. The court relied on earlier Supreme Court judgments and said that allowing compensation in such a case would mean rewarding someone for their own wrongdoing, which the law does not permit. The family argued that since Ravisha was not the actual owner of the car, he had borrowed it, the insurance company should still pay. But the High Court rejected this also, saying that someone who borrows a vehicle is legally treated like the owner and cannot claim compensation for death caused by their own negligent driving. Now the matter reached the Supreme Court. A bench of Justices P.S. Narasimha and R. Madhavan refused to interfere with the High Court's ruling. The court clearly reiterated that if a person dies due to their own negligent driving, their legal heirs cannot claim compensation under Section 166 of the Motor Vehicles Act.